Mugunda uyu wa eka mirongo itatu mwena wa Muthaiga North niguo tumurite Ngucanio gatagati ka University ya USIU na mwonjoria umwe kiumbe. Thina wambiriirie muthia-ini wa mweri muthiru thutha wa Urugamiriri wa USIU gukinyirwo ni uhoro ati kuri na andu maroneka makirora mugunda-ini uyu.
The management board was made aware that some unauthorized people were frequenting our land in Muthaiga North near Balozi Estate. And that same day, we then lodged a formal complaint with Kasarani police station.
Thiko itanathie muno muthia-ini wa kiumia githiru niguo gikundi kia nyanake giaitirwo mugunda-ini uyu na makiambiriria kuiriga. MCA wa gicigo giki augite ni mamakitio ni giko giki amu matoire moe mugunda uyu ni wa University ya USIU.
As far as we know, over the years, and there has been a notice that has existed here over the years. The land belonged to USIU University.
Nginyagia riu utire mundu uretikirie kuingira mugunda-ini uyu uria uri rungu rwa urangeri munene wa nyanake iria cititwo guku. Riu Urugamiriri wa University ya USIU uria uhinyiririe nio ene mugunda uyu makiuga mari na maratathi ma kuonania u ni uhurite riboti wabici-ini iria ciagiriire na ni mareka uria mangihota gutigirira uria wegwateire mugunda uyu ni eherio.
We have all the documents. The land was acquired by USIU in 1999. And since then, obviously, USIU has been paying the land rates to the city county of Nairobi. And nobody has claimed that land until now.
Mwena-ini wake mwonjoria uyu ukuruhanitio na kwigwatira mugunda uyu arauga ena maratathi mothe ma kuonania mugunda uyu ni wake.
My piece of land is LR 12422/19, which has absolutely nothing to do with what was listed by USIU as their properties in the caveat.
Gukiri uguo ni oritie Urugamiriri wa University ya USIU urute maratathi maria mari namo makuonania ni ma mugunda uyu ni wao. University ino ni irabanga gutongoria arutwo ao mururungano-ini wa gatatu kiumia giki kuhinyiriria kuhamurithio kwa mwonjoria uyu wegwateire mugunda uyu. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, ritwa riakwa ni Wangui wa Mwangi.